Cherokee Nation citizen Joshua Wheeler grew up in Muldrow, Oklahoma, the eldest of 5 siblings. He went on to join the Army, became an Army Ranger, was a veteran of the wars in Iraq and Afghanistan, and a member of the Army's secretive counterterrorism unit, Delta Force. On October 22, 2015, Delta Force carried out a raid on a militant-run prison in Iraq. The raid freed 70 prisoners who officials say would have been executed the next day. Wheeler was killed by small arms fire.
We now know the identity of the American soldier killed in Iraq this week, the first to fall in battle there in 4 years and the first ever to be killed in direct combat with ISIS.
Joshua Wheeler, the elite Delta Force Master Sergeant, sacrificed his life to save others. A leader in the war on terror, Wheeler was also a leader on the home front. The husband, father, and son from Roland, Oklahoma was known for being especially giving and for putting others' needs before his own. During his 20 years in the Army, Wheeler was deployed at least 17 times and was the recipient of 11 Bronze Stars, 4 of them for valor. Posthumously, the U.S. Armed Forces awarded him with the Purple Heart and the Silver Star, and the Cherokee Nation awarded him with the Medal of Patriotism. Sergeant Wheeler's family says he was always proud of his Cherokee heritage. The medal was presented to his grandparents and brother Zach in July of 2016.